What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Nye, and yeah, welcome to my channel. Today's vlog, we are going to be installing gas and brake pedals in my Dodge Charger. We're also going to be debadging the Dodge emblem on my trunk. So yeah, that should be very easy, a quick and easy video, quick and easy installation. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do what you gotta do to help support your boy out one time. You know, all the support, you know, goes a long way. You know, I truly appreciate it. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to be installing the pedals. I'm actually going to start with the gas pedal just because it's the farthest away, and I'm going to just make my way back up. So I'm going to do the gas pedal first and then the brake pedal, and yeah, so let's get it. Also, I'll put in the link in the description of where I got the gas pedals at, the gas and the brake pedal at. I got off of Amazon, but yeah, I'll be sure to put the link in the description down below. But yes, that's what it looks like, the gas pedal. And yeah, so again, bear with me, I'm gonna have to crawl in there. So yeah.
A few moments later,
it was really easy to install. It was like you kind of just have to like wedge it in there first. What I did was I initially wedged the bottom, so I started from the bottom, and now we here. I'm just playing, but but no, I start from the bottom, and then from the bottom I just clipped it over like that. So guys, for the gas pedal was easy to install. For the brake pedal, however, you're gonna have to take the old brake pedal that's in your current car, take that out, and then put this on, because this will not fit. This will not go over the brake pedal itself. As you can tell, they actually installed these handles right here because you're gonna have to go over that brake. Alright guys, so I got the bottom off. I think the easiest way is to start from the bottom, and then just make your way around. So yeah, start from the bottom. And then you just peel off like so. Boom, bada bang, there you go. It does look a little different from the new one. Here's the new one. If it's hard to put it on, then I'm gonna boil it first and then put it on. But let me just see, so I don't gotta wait any longer. Alright, perfect. I didn't even need to boil it. I know some other videos I watched, you had to boil it in order to put it on, but this one fits on fine. So yeah guys, that's what the finished product looks like with the pedals, and let's go ahead and do the debadging on my trunk. Alright guys, so in order to debadge the lettering off your car, the first thing you're going to need is a heat gun, and the second thing you're going to need is some type of like fish rope or wire or whatever it's called, or some type of like string or something that's skinny enough that can like go in between the lettering and the car. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that stuff, so the closest thing I found was a zip tie. I would show you guys from like a further perspective, but this is literally what I'm working with. Like, I don't have that much space, but yeah, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking this Supreme sticker off. That shit's trash. Honestly, it got all fucked up. And then I'm gonna be debadging these Dodge letters. The originals are silver, but I ended up putting like these yellow stickers on it. But the stickers don't last long. Yeah, I'm gonna just debadge that. I'm gonna leave this on right here. I like the yellow, those yellow stickers. They don't peel off as easily. Plus, it goes in with my license plate. And then I'm gonna leave that sticker on there. This Dodge was actually from my grill. When I changed the grill, I took that off. I just put it there, and obviously the Batman emblem So yeah, so I'm gonna just be debadging the Dodge letters, and yeah, let's get it. You don't want to put the heat gun too close to the car because it can damage your car. You know, you don't want to. That's the last thing you want to do. So just make sure you're like heating from a distance, you know, and just like feel it. Make sure it's getting hot. Like I can already feel it getting hot, so I might just go ahead and yeah. See, I already feel it getting hot, so I'm gonna just go ahead and slide this through, and yeah, I'm gonna try to do it this way to make sure you guys can see that. Let's actually zoom this up real quick. See, I'm already in, and then boom, it can just slide right off. Just like that, easy guys. Just like that, literally just like that. As you guys can tell, like you can see a little adhesive left over, but that's easy fix. All you have to do is clean it. Yeah, don't be lazy, just clean it up, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The Dodge symbol is officially the badge, man, and I'm already liking it a lot. I should have done this a long time ago. Like, let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like debadged. I should have done a before and after, but yeah, that's what it looks like debadged. I'm definitely liking it a lot. All the adhesive is off of there. No more adhesive. No more Dodge, you know what I'm saying? Like everyone knows it's a Dodge. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like debadged. There's my dog Dakota. Come here. Shake. Good girl. But yeah, that's what it looks like debadged, guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm glad I was able to show you guys the process of debadging and putting on some pedals. So yeah. Make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Do what you guys got to do. All the support truly matters a lot. And yeah, till next vlog. Peace. Bye.